Zuzu! Where are you?
Be quiet, Neşe. There's something here.
Hey, sis, what was inside the cookie?
Keep quiet. We found something.
Okay, but what?
Shh.
Huh?
In the bush.
Hold on. Was there bush in the cookie? Sis?
What happened?
Shh. There was bush in the cookie. You can come as well.
What?
What did he say? Shh.
The controller. It has something to do. It'll come back on Sunday.
But I needed it, though.
Shh. Come on, come.
Okay, guys. Let's learn about the trees on this side.
Hey, look over here.
Ah, that's my controller.
Ah, you have very strange plants in this world.
That's just garbage. So,
What happened here, everyone?
So it looks like the squirrels took the controller.
But this is an old walnut tree. Why do they take from us instead of eating from it?
I wish we could find out what their problem is.
I'll ask them.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy